It's a great day for a drive, especially in this 2018 Mazda CX-5 in black. It has black interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a hatch with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has navigation, reverse camera, and so many more great features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission, and it's an all-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also the Bose badging for your audio system. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar and also has memory for 2 drivers. You have all-weather mats that are badged on the floor, and your liftgate release, as well as your traction control. The face of the steering wheel, we have our information, volume, hands-free dialing, as well as cruise control. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages will appear and your odometer reading. And in the center, our display screen's coming up, and our audio sources, we can see we have AM, FM. Oops, we'll just touch on there. There we go. AM, FM, we have Bluetooth, as well as other options. And we also have a backup camera view in this location. So I've just put the vehicle in reverse. We're going to see it right off the bumper there, and the yellow being caution and red is you're way too close. I'm just going to put us back into park. And we also have navigation that we can go into, and the map will come up for that. I'm pressing in the center console, and I'll show that to you momentarily. And you can just go through the different options in your applications, communication, and settings and so forth. So they all have sub-menus. Your hazard lights are there between your air vents. There's your auto stop start. You've got heated steering wheel and seats for both driver and passenger. There's your AC. You have your front and rear defrost, as well as the dual climate control, and the fan is located there, and you're seeing the readout for the different zones. And below there is the 12 volt, little cubby, automatic shifter, and you can actually choose whether you want sport or just regular for your traction, or not your traction, but just the feel. And then you have your electronic parking brake, auto hold. So if you're on an incline or you're towing, you would use that. And then I was pushing those buttons there, the home, the nav. We can touch on the screen. You saw me do that. You push for your volume, and I was just dialing through for the different options. There's a couple of cup holders. Your armrest opens up. You've got a little bin in there. You've also got a 12 volt USB. And off to the side is your glove compartment. Up top here, you're seeing your garage door openers. This is an auto dimming rear view mirror. You also have your lighting controls, and you have a moonroof in here, and this is powered. So you just push the button, that'll open right up for you. You have a manual screen, so you can pull that across if you want less light, and grab handle on the body, just making it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, body colored door handle, and you have a little black button there. That's the easy entry. So when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. And you have driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. In the rear, you've got a windshield wiper, and below your Mazda badge is where your backup camera is located. When we want to open up that hatch, we can click and hold our fob, and it'll release it. It chimes for you, the lights flash, so you know it's opening up. Got this nice all-weather mat in here, quite roomy, and there's hooks and tabs. You also have an outlet here, a 12 volt, and I'm just going to lift this up to show you what's underneath. You've got your spare tire and your jack there. And then when you're ready to close it all up, there's a handle on the right, but you can also push this button. It's quite handy. It'll chime again, lets you know that it's going down securely, and then you can just lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you can easily bring the seat down, just pull the tab, and you now have access to the back cargo area. You've got this nice all-weather mat and anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. Then just give it a push back into the upright position. In the center is an armrest with a couple of cup holders. You also have the heated seat controls, and this, with a push of a button, just flips up, and you've got the USB outlets there, which is quite handy. And then on the floor, all-weather mat, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You've got your air vents. Up top, you're seeing the moonroof, lighting controls, hooks, and handles. Privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to show you, and we'd love to hear your comments.